So this picture was taken during the Apollo 8 mission. It was taken by accident. Because normally pictures are scheduled, what the astronauts have to take. This picture was taken by accident. And I love this picture. I love this picture for 3 reasons. Number 1, shows we're out there alone. This is the only planet we have out there in the planet. Number 2, it shows how beautiful our planet is. And number 3, it shows also how vulnerable our planet is. And that was the moment I caught fire for the idea of the circular economy, for finding ways for IT to produce less waste and therefore establish a concept of being reusing, repairing, recycling, everything to do not to use virgin material and save material and do something good for the planet.